Okay. Nakikita niyo naman siguro ako. Tama ba? Yeah. So, ilan na tayo lahat? 16 participants. Hopefully, more to join. Okay. Ito na yung part natin na welcome remarks natin for all fans. So ito nga, meron tayong small sort of a program for this finale. Kasi first ever rerun to ng Sa Dulo ng Walang Hanggan. So if you're a fanatic, talaga it's a big deal. 23 years since nag-end ang series, and again, thanks to Jeepney TV, meron tayong chance ulit, lalo na like me, na hindi talaga nakakita ng ending nito. So ito na yung chance natin this afternoon to see it. I just wanted to just introduce yung mga nag-organize ng watch party na to. So my name is Christine. Ako yung actually gumawa ng fan page called Sa Dulo ng Walang Hanggan Universe. Currently, hindi niyo siya makikita kasi na-flag. Pero I ran it around siguro since October of last year, and through that yung mga actors na and actresses natatag natin and naging aware sila na niriran pala to ng Jeepney TV ang TV series na to. And I want to also introduce si Andre. And
Hello.
yan, si Andre. Siya ang ating isa sa mga admin. Siya ang nag-push, isa sa
Hello po.
nag-push ng finale nito. It used to be an in-person event, pero hindi talaga na-push because it's quite hard. So, kaya may virtual tayo, which is I think way better kasi alam ko maraming hindi taga Luzon dito. Like me, I'm from Mindanao, and maybe some of you galing Visayas din. So, pwede ba kayo mag-react kung sino hindi taga Luzon dito? Like race or heart emoji sa chat box kung sino. May taga Central Luzon.
Hello
May
po,
taga
Ate Eileen
taga
from
Mindanao ba
LA.
dito? Like me?
Taga-LA ate.
Oh, may
Ay,
LA.
oo. Ate
Oh,
Eileen, hello po. Ingat po
hi, oh, di
dyan.
ba? Outside the Philippines pa tayo. All right. And then we have Dino. Si Dino ang holder ng manuscript. Yung book na more than 2 decades din na
Hello.
yes.
Ay, ayaw makita.
Oh, yun. Yun,
Here.
yan.
Sir?
Yan yung summary from the website ng
Yes.
ABS-CBN. Tapos pinabind niya. At before, I think for the first 200 episodes, siya ang naging spoiler natin.
Yes.
Siya nagbibigay, nagko-comment. Yan.
Yan. Dami nito.
Yes.
It's in Tagalog.
Page.
Yes.
Medyo makapal siya.
Ang mahiwagang manuscript.
Ilang page ang kuya?
Kapanahon ngayon yan, wala nang masyadong gagawa ng ganyan.
Yes.
Kaya
Di ba? Yung ano.
Nung araw, oo, mano-mano. Pag ano mo talaga, susubaybay mo talaga eh. Lalo yung mga magulang mo.
I may comment si
Magulang
Eileen. Was born and
magulang
raised
mo.
sa Pampanga but here in Los Angeles since 2001. Kaya di ko napanood doon.
Di ba?
Okay, that's
So,
cool.
ito yung chance natin makita lahat.
Malapit na tapos ni Sally. Ang
Mm-mm.
kasisaman niya. Hindi niya. Kasi pinalabas sa 2003. Kaano lang ng ano eh. Mga nasa ano lang ako noon eh. 3 years old, 4 years old, ganyan.
May nag-request si Gabriel
Gabriel.
nakapasend daw. Soft
Well,
copy.
actually, itong summary, I used to have a soft copy sa USB kaso nanakawan yung bahay ko 10 years ago. Nasama lahat ng mga gadgets ko and USB. So, wala. Ito na lang talaga siya. Kaya iniingat-ingatan ko to. Photocopy pwede
Di
naman kung
ba?
gusto niyo.
Oo. Ano yung well-kept yan na ano.
Yes.
Na memorabilia na yan ng sa dulo.
Yes.
And someday soon, papirmahan yan kay Claudine.
Yep. Sa buong cast
Sa
sana.
buong cast, yes. Yan yung
Tama ko
goal.
dyan, kuya. Charot.
Yes.
Mm.
Nag-request.
Oo. And si Banks, I think still nag-ano pa rin siya. But yeah, our fourth na
Yeah, dito na ako.
Ayun.
Sorry, guys. I have some
Ayan.
Kapag nawala
technical
ng
difficulties
internet, no, saglit
on
na.
my end. Sorry na. Kamusta naman kayo,
Okay,
guys?
okay. Okay
Yun.
Ayan na si
lang.
Big Sister.
Okay, ano ako, proper carrots. Saglit. Hello. Okay, so, um,
So, i-remove ko na
okay,
yun.
so good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome ulit and thank you for joining us today in Sa Dulo ng Walang Hanggan two-part finale special. So, our Zoom session is now open, so feel free to settle in. So, my name is Bangs, yeah, the admin of the Sa Dulo ng Walang Hanggan GC kung saan nandun kayo, and I'll be one of your co-hosts for this event. Nice to meet you guys. So, with me also is one of my three admins in the GC. So, Miss Ting Eblas. Yan.
Yes, yes. Yan, nag-introduce na ako. But yes, hi again. Hello again.
And also, we have here, ayan, she is nga pala the woman behind Sa Dulo ng Walang Hanggan Universe in IG. Yan. So, if naka-follow kayo sa kanya, follow nyo na kasi ganda ng mga ano niya, mga videos and also mga contents niya about Sa Dulo ng Walang Hanggan. Next is Andre. Ayan.
Hello. Hello,
Yan.
everyone.
Everyone. Ang madaldal natin si Andre Genora. And also, the genius, the mastermind, Mr. Dino Andes. Palakpakan
He's a
naman natin sila
genius.
virtually. So we have 10 minutes. So yeah, just a quick reminders, please keep your microphones muted during the program. Make sure your audio is clear and you have a stable internet connection. And feel free to share your reactions in the chat box. Dahil this time, punong-puno tayo ng throwback, emotions, fun segments, and special moments ang ating papanoorin for today. So as we revisit highlights and celebrate together, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Take it away, Miss Kay Salve.
We still have, 10 minutes pa before the premiere sa YouTube. Anything else? Ano bang gusto niyo pag-usapan? Actually, a rundown for what to expect, which na-share naman namin sa GC. But anyone who is not part of the GC, so after this, parang welcome natin, is we're gonna watch the second to the last episode, 504. And after that, I think there's a couple of minutes pa left before the next, yung final episode. So, meron tayong mga uh, like live reaction, yung anong nagustuhan nyo, hindi nyo nagustuhan, mga ganun. Kasi mga critics na tayo ngayon, iba ng panahon ngayon. And then after the finale which is I think 37 minutes long, we're gonna have that really mini discussion which will be led by Banks. And yeah, doon, tingnan natin talaga kung sabi ni Dino, maiiyak ba tayo, matatawa. Again, I don't know. Marami nagsasabi na funny daw, kengkoy daw. So, for me naman, open-minded ako. So, basta excited ako sa finale. And then after that, we will have yung mga presentations from different members ng GC. So, meron po tayong end credits na ginawa, fan-made. And then, ipapresent later on yung very rare, hindi makikita nyo yan sa any like platform, yung ASAP guesting ng cast, when saying goodbye prior to the finale during 2003. And then, meron din tayong patrivia game later on. Sana all will be, cooperative and mag-participate kasi test yun ng knowledge natin sa show. And then we have a couple of funny scenes na ipipresent mamaya. And then in memoriams to those who pass away na naging part ng show. Meron din, later I will present yung mga, I think, hindi naman never before seen, but I think most of you hindi pa din nakita yung mga behind the scenes pictures, production sets dun sa dulo. Someone, was good enough to actually share some pictures. So ipapakita natin yan mamaya. And then of course the finale will be the special video message from the cast. And this is really updated. It's like it was, shot this year. So as a thank you sa lahat sa atin. So yun yung maging flow ng program na to, and sana you stick until the end. Especially for the video message. Bangs, anything else to add? Kasi 53.
Exciting.
Oo.
Lalo sa BG Greet.
So we have 7 minutes to start the program. So mag-random calling ako dito sa GC ng mga, mga favorite yung scenes before the live video viewing ng sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Let's start with Raul Ilagan.
Yes po.
Yun. So kuya, hello, nice to meet you. So anong pinaka-favorite part mo nun sa dulo ng walang hanggan? Ano yung pinaka-core memory mo nun sa dulo ng walang hanggan? Nakamute. Nakamute.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay.
Yes, we can hear you. Go, 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 Kuya Raul.
Okay.
Seems like may audio connection siya sa end
Ay,
niya.
before we forget, para meron tayong memory, is it okay for just couple of seconds, camera on tayo, and then we'll just have to screenshot ourselves para lang
Yes,
meron tayong memory na we did this.
memory. Yeah.
We actually did this. So
Yeah,
again,
let's have
if
photo
you're,
op.
just couple of seconds lang, couple of seconds. We're just gonna, and then you can also do it on your end, screenshot. Sino ba?
Open cam. Miss Kate, Gabrielle, Stephen, Arkay.
Do not
Oh my
shy.
God, you're cute. Stephen and Arkay. Open cam, please. Go, 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 guys. 5 minutes.
Oh, it's Arcane, not Archive pala.
RK.
Arcade.
Sorry.
Arcade. Sorry.
Sana all Arcane.
Sorry.
R-
Okay, Arcade.
Yun. Hindi pa naka-on si Raul.
Raul.
Ito na. Okay na si Raul.
Stephen.
RK.
Stephen, RK.
Yan.
Ay,
Kate.
cute.
Si Kate.
Alex.
Tapos lahat.
Cute. Okay, smile.
Ito na.
1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Yan.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
All right,
Yun na.
thank you. So we have 4 minutes left before we start the program. Oh my God. Magbasa tayo ng mga comments dito based sa
Yes.
chat box. Sabi ni Miss Aileen Y, I didn't miss any episode, only nung mabaril si Corazon at si Nelia. Yeah, I remember that scene. And also with Megan Green, yung Benji Sofia arc, traffic ending, yung pumano si Sofia, which is favorite ni Ate Kay. The Sofia, Sofia, Bustamante arc.
Yes.
Sabi ni Prince, favorite ko yung graceful exit ni Sofia. Yeah. Ano yan? Fan favorite. Sabi naman ni Miss Aileen Y, mine is 333 episode. Yeah. That is also a part of a core memory. Tapos sabi ni Ate Megan Green, syempre, favorite episode ko rin yung nakakulong si Efren.
Si
Yeah,
Efren.
that is the most, atawag dito, kumbaga kabayaran sa lahat ng mga kasamaang ginawa ni Efren Wilwico. So we
Yes,
have
that is
time check. We have 3 minutes left before we start the program. So ano pa guys? Ano pang
Yes,
shared
may sinasabi ata
from
si
the chat
Prince.
box?
Yeah.
Yes, Prince.
satisfying yung pagkakulong ni Efren.
Yes. Totoo yun. Satisfying. Yan ang pinaka along with the kontrabidas. Sabi ni Infinix dito, favorite ko yung pinagsasampal ni Angeline si Sally nung nabisto na siya. Ni Angeline, ang kagagahan at kahiyupan at saka kagdanan scene sa korte. Yan. Tsaka yung sa Bulacan, favorite nyo din yun. Alam ko, favorite nyo yun eh. Yung hulog hagdan scene.
So ano kaya yung ano nila ngayon sa finale? Paano sila magjumbagan ba sila? Magsabunutan?
Yun ang ating
Tulak-tulak?
aalamin. Oh my gosh.
Ano?
Magbasa pa tayo
Tayo,
dito. 1 minute na lang. OMG, sabi ni Alex. How about ikaw, Infinix? Si Maying favorite ko, parang matanda magsalita. Not that scene na may mayor na yakol. Oo, yan yung sa part ng Summer Bulacan ba yun? Excited na ako ngayon sa fighting air nila Benji at Sally. So on that note, ayan, and now the moment we all been waiting for, it's time for a watch party featuring the final 2 episodes. Let's relive the drama, the emotions, and the unforgettable scenes together. So while watching, feel free to drop your reactions in the chat and your favorite moments. All right, everyone, grab your snacks or tissues, get comfortable, and enjoy the show.
Lahat.
Okay. Nire-refresh ko pa lang siya. Hindi pa siya nag-premiere sa sa Jeepney TV. Just wait.
Disclaimer, yung building nila Burj Khalifa yun kaya times 2.
Sinaunang Dubai,
Sobrang
kuya.
tagal ko.
Oo. Parang pinapatril lang ng YouTube
Abang-abang lang po.
Yes,
Oo.
abang-abang lang po, guys. Stay
Daming pasabog
tuned.
dito.
1,000
Inyo-
meters daw, sabi ni Alex. Ganun katagal.
Yung alam, sasabog yung
pag-landing nila.
Zoom. Yan.
Oh God! Ayan na, guys. Ayan na, guys. 20 seconds.
Sigurado ka ba dyan sa hamon mo?
Oo. Pero sa pagkakataong to,
Baliktad na ngayon ang laro.
At paano naman nangyari yun?
Hindi na ako ngayon ang hahabulin mo. Ako na mismo ang hahabol sa'yo.
At anong gagawin mo sa akin kapag nahabol mo ako? Aber?
Pagbabayaran mo isa-isa ang lahat ng kasalanan mo sa akin.